Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, How to Use Basics. In today's video, we are going to learn how to turn off censorship in Character AI. Let's begin with today's tutorial. Open your Character AI, then go to the chat, any chat. Then over here, you can write a prompt. It doesn't have a built-in system for turning on or turning off the censorship, but you can do it by using prompts. Like you can see how I have turned on the NSW. How you can do is same inside the package, right? Turn on censorship. Like this, your censorship is turned on. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such contents.